Making money online is actually very easy if you know the right way to do it, and you only need 3 easy steps to get started. Step number 1, you have to choose a done-for-you template. Step number 2, you have to click download. And step number 3, you can begin getting paid every single day. As simple as that. You only need 5 to 10 minutes to set this up, and you can begin receiving real money and getting passive income every single day. It doesn't matter if you're watching a video or you're sleeping, you're still going to make money online. The best thing about this is that this is 100% free. You don't have to spend any money at all to get started, and this is available worldwide. So I want you to pay close attention and watch this video all the way up to the end so I can show you everything step by step. And also I'll be giving away special bonuses that's gonna help you to earn even more money online. Before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. Now let's dive in straight into the video. Before I show you the secret of today's strategy, I want you to first take a look at this website right here, which is Amazon.com. On the Kindle book section, now when you scroll down below, you can see there are a lot of people selling ebooks on this website. $3.99, another $3.99. And when I scroll down below here, there are even more Kindle ebooks that people post up on this website. They even sell for $13.99 right here. A lot of people are making huge money in using this strategy. I want you to take a look at this. Over 10,000 people leaving a review of this Kindle ebook right here. So if you go to the online calculator, one Kindle ebook is $13.99. Multiply by 5,000 people buying this one right here, and if you can see here, almost $70,000 just by posting one Kindle ebook just like this. You don't need any experience or any investment. This is absolutely free, and all you have to do is just copy and paste and use the done for you template, which I'm gonna show you in today's video. So make sure you keep watching, and we're gonna make big money online together in this video. The next website that I want you to visit is visme.co. Basically, this website allows you and I to create a very beautiful and very professional ebook. We can sell them for a lot of money without any experience at all. So basically, this is the 3-step process. Again, that is number 1, you have to choose a done for you template, but there are a lot of templates that you can choose from, so make sure you keep watching this video because I will show you an example of how to do that. Step 2, once you choose a done for you template, you can choose and edit whatever you want. For example, you can change the text, you can change the font size, the font color, you can change whatever you want. And step number 3, you can download this ebook for 100% free and done for you. And you can start publishing on Amazon just like this and make a lot of money online starting today. So make sure you keep watching this video, and I'm really excited to share this new opportunity with you. When you go to the homepage of this website, I want you to click on this create button right here and click on document icon here. And then you're going to get to this page where you can start creating documents, which means that you can create an ebook that is absolutely free. You don't need any money at all to do this. I want you to go and click on create your free document right here, and then you're gonna come up to this page where we can sign up and create a free account from anywhere in the world, and we can start creating your ebook. You just have to put in your name, your email address, your password, and click on the register button. Right now, you're able to log in inside your dashboard and can begin creating documents. We're just gonna scroll down here, and you can see there are different documents. For example, reports, plans, proposals, resumes, cover letters, and so on. And I want you to scroll to the right and look for ebooks. Once you click on ebooks, scroll down below, you can see there are different templates that you can choose from, which are very professional and very beautiful. There are hundreds of different done for you templates that you can just click on and get everything done for you. 100% automatic, and you don't need any money at all to do this. To give you the first bonus tip, here on the Kindle ebook, there are different categories of ebooks that you can sell on this website. Say for example, arts and photography, business and money, education and teaching. So what I want you to do is to focus on health, fitness, and dieting. This category is the most profitable category, which means that you can make a lot of money online with very little competition. Now, once we have selected the category you want to focus on, which is health and fitness, we are going to look for a template which is suitable for this kind of category. So right now, we want to choose this template. This looks very professional and very suitable for health and fitness category. When you click on this preview, you can take a look at what's inside this template. This is the cover photo and this is the table of contents. Right down below, you can see all the pages within this template. It's all done for you. It tells people how to lose weight, what kind of fruits that people can eat. A lot of information are included inside this template. And this is basically a done for you ebook that you could just copy and paste. So right now, once you decided that this is the template that you want, you could just go and click on use this template button. It will take you to this page where we can edit and change whatever things that you want. One of the reasons why I love Visme so much is they give you a cover picture. If you scroll down on this section, you can see the pages of the ebook where you can get a lot of information to copy and paste and sell them on Amazon Kindle ebook under the health and fitness category. So right now, what you can do on this page is that if you don't like anything that you want, say for example, if you want to change the title, just double click on that. You can change the font size, you can underline that, you can change the color of the text as well. You can do whatever changes you want on each of these pages. The good thing about this is that everything is done for you. You don't have to change anything if you are satisfied with the contents. If you go to the homepage of this ebook, you can see here it is written by Susan Smith. You can actually change that and put your name on it. You can even change the title of this ebook. You can change whatever you want with this template. So once you're satisfied with that, just click on the download button on top. So once you click on the download button, you're gonna come onto this new page here. Just click on the download button, as simple as that. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. I'll give you another bonus tip that will help you earn more money online. This is freeplrdownloads.com. This website has a lot of ebooks that you can simply copy and paste and download for free. They're all done for you and there are a lot of different categories. Again, we're going to focus on health, so click on this health link right here and then it's going to take you to this category, which is health. When you scroll down, there are hundreds of different ebooks that you can download for absolutely free. If you click on this ebook, for example, The Stress Busters Victory, scroll down below, you will see a blue download button. Click on that to begin downloading, and you don't even need to sign up for an account and get it for absolutely free using a phone or using a computer. As you can see here, there are a total of 11 pages of ebooks in this category. Now, once you finish downloading on the health category, you can proceed and focus on another category. Say for example, internet marketing, finance. There are so many categories to choose from, and you can start selling them on Amazon and earn a lot of money online without having any experience and investment at all using the free PLR website. So once you get your ebooks from these websites, next step is to upload them on Amazon. So right now, we will go to Kindle Direct Publishing, kdp.amazon.com. This is where you can start publishing your own ebook and start making money. Get to market fast. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours. Click on the sign up button right here and then over to this page where you can log into your account. But right now, if you're totally new to Amazon, you can scroll down below and click on create your KDP account. It will take you to this page. Just put in your name, your email, your password, confirm your password, and just click on create your KDP account. And this is where you can start publishing the ebooks by uploading them on Amazon, and they are going to start selling them automatically for you around the world. Before we end the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks to make more money online. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.